What's going on, guys? I know it's been a hot minute since I posted a video. I think it's been a couple weeks now. I've actually been a little bit busy, kind of unmotivated on doing anything on the K5. We will have an update on the frame. We've got it all back to a full roller now, so that video will be coming out hopefully within the next week or two. So I just figured I'd do a quick video of some parts unboxing to get the LS into the K5 frame. It'll be a transmission crossmember and the motor mounts as well. It's a local company to me, or relatively local, within a couple 100 miles, down in Texas. A lot of guys run these. Great motor mounts, great trans crossmember that keeps the, I think you can run up to 3-inch exhaust between the, or up above the frame rails. So I just figured I'd knock out this quick little video since it's been a hot minute since I posted anything. So if you haven't subscribed, click the box in the bottom right hand corner and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video, and we'll get to it. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Tejas motor mounts for my LS swapped two-wheel drive K5 and the transmission crossmember as well. Everything seems to be packaged pretty well. First thing in the box I noticed is some installation notes, instructions, everything like that. And then you get your invoice as well. Comes with which transmission, like anchor to use. We've got our grade 8 hardware as well. This is the passenger side mount, which is clearly marked with a P, as you can see. And we got the driver's side mount as well. All the welds look perfect. I think he uses a CNC like plasma table, or just a plasma table to cut them all out, but man, it looks great. I'm super excited. The reason I went with Tejas is I'll be running a truck motor with a truck oil pan, and this keeps it flush with the crossmember whenever we're on that 5/8 drop. We won't hopefully be scraping anything because it shouldn't be hanging below the front crossmember. We got some more hardware. I'm guessing this is the hardware for the motor mounts. The other hardware was for the trans crossmember. And the reason I went with the Tejas transmission crossmember is it'll keep all of the exhaust above the frame rails as well, so we don't have anything hanging low there. And with us running a 4L80, it's going to be put in a different position than our original mount anyways, so we might as well upgrade that as well. And I figure running both Tejas motor mounts and Tejas transmission crossmember, we will know exactly what position, or it should be in the exact position it needs to be in, and we can kind of get with Scotty over at Tejas, and he could probably give us what's pretty average for our pinion angle. So, or at least the pinion angle coming off the engine, or what to expect anyways. But you can see those clean welds. It's just, I've seen a lot of people run these Tejas motor mounts. United by Truck runs them. Lonnie's Garage runs them. I've got a couple buddies that actually run them, so I haven't seen anybody complain about them. I know a lot of reasons people run these so they can actually barely notch the frame and still retain the stock AC mounting compressor location, but we'll most likely be running a vintage air setup or like a high mount, so that didn't really factor into me getting these as much as just I can run the truck oil pan with them. So We still got to get these painted. We'll get that done relatively soon. I haven't done a video in a while, so I figured I'd do this quick video of the unboxing. My first impressions on them. I like that it comes with instructions on everything. Comes with torque specs as well for the fasteners, so that's awesome. Comes with the all grade 8 hardware that was needed to mount the transmission crossmember and also mount the motor mounts to the block. So I'm super excited. I mean, it'll be a while before we actually need this equipment, but least-wise we got it here. So whenever we pull the motor, we can get everything mocked up and get it ready. But I'll have another video coming out of the update on the frame, but I want to do this quick video with just a part unboxing. So if you need any motor mounts to bolt your LS into a square body, I definitely would go with Tejas Steelworks. And they're pretty local to me. They're just Texas. I'm in Oklahoma, so I like to kind of support local small businesses, so let's do that. Well, I appreciate it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, just like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.